Hey there folks, Tim Slade here from the eLearning Designers Academy. You know what? I'm going to keep this really quick. Learning how instructional design works in a textbook is not the same as learning how it works in the real world. Textbooks assume simple problems. They're never simple. Perfect stakeholders. Trust me, they're far from perfect. Clear timelines. They're never clear. And unlimited buy-in. I wish. But the real world is nothing like that. Real instructional design is messy and it involves negotiation and pushback and trade-offs and judgment. And that's exactly why I am so excited to share that enrollment for my brand new Instructional Design Certificate Program is officially open. This is an 8-week, live, virtual, facilitated, and hands-on experience. And it's not a self-paced course. It's not an endless playlist of videos that you can watch on YouTube. And it's not something you do by yourself with no one there to guide you or answer your questions. It's designed to help you practice instructional design the way it actually works, through discussion and collaboration and real-time feedback and applied decision making. Now, the full investment for this program, it's not $10,000. It's not even $5,000. It's just $2,500. However, I'm offering a $500 founders discount for any of our 2026 sessions when you or your team enroll by March 20th. So if you're ready to move beyond learning about instructional design and actually start practicing it in a structured, guided environment, I've designed this program for you. Check out the full details and upcoming session dates below, and I hope to see you on the inside.